Welcome! In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. We're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. For me, that toggle is located on the last page or right over here. Now, if you don't see it, you could tap on a pen right here. And once you see the toggle that you want to add, which in this case it would be Do Not Disturb mode, you'd grab it and then drag it over the top. Once you drop it and go back, it should be accessible to you on one of the pages. For me, as you can see, that's the toggle I added. Anyway, once you find it, hold the toggle for the first time, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function when you enable it. Now, I'll only touch upon a couple of the options that are located in here that I find more important. So, starting off, we have people. In here, you can select can call you or message you, with calls having an additional option for repeated callers, which looks to be enabled by default. What this will do is, if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected above or right here. Now going back, we have schedule right here. So here you have a schedule sleeping one that is always pre-made on basically every device. You can edit this one, enable it, or create your new ones by selecting add more, select time ones, you can name it whatever you want, and then select each day of the week that you want it to run during, start and end time. And for people that want to use schedule modes, just make sure that it is toggled on in here or here with this check mark, and that's all you need to do. The device will then turn on the actual mode on its own when the time comes. And moving on to the last option is the duration for quick settings. This will cater to people that want to enable Do Not Disturb mode manually and also occasionally, probably. So in here we have 3 options. We have until you turn off, which is the default one for specific timer, or ask every time, which will give us the 2 first options every time we tap on the toggle. Now, I personally like to select it to be on a timer and make it something like 4 hours. And that will make it so whenever I tap on the toggle itself in here, it will get enabled for exactly 4 hours. And I can obviously turn it off before that time runs out if I remember about it, but if I forget about it, the device will turn it off automatically after 4 hours, the way I set it up. So, a pretty nice thing. Now anyway, once everything is set, just find the toggle, and as you've seen me do, you can just tap on it, and then if you want to disable it, tap on it once more. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.